Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two impressive drones on our table, the Holy Stone Mini drone and the Holy Stone HS440 drone. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one suits your needs better. When it comes to capturing breathtaking aerial shots, the camera quality is crucial. The Holy Stone Mini drone features a decent camera that allows you to capture fun moments from a unique perspective. However, the Holy Stone HS440 drone takes it up a notch with its 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera. With a 112 degrees wide-angle lens, it ensures you never miss any detail. Whether you're shooting a family reunion or a stunning landscape, the HS440 has got you covered. Now let's talk about flight time. The Holy Stone Mini drone comes with 3 batteries, providing a total flight time of up to 21 minutes. This means more fun and less waiting for charging. On the other hand, the Holy Stone HS440 drone offers an impressive flight time of up to 20 minutes with its powerful modular battery. Both drones offer extended airtime, allowing you to explore and capture your surroundings to the fullest. Portability is another important factor to consider, especially if you're always on the go. The Holy Stone Mini drone lives up to its name, being mini and portable. It's the perfect buddy for parties, hiking trips, or any adventure. However, the Holy Stone HS440 drone takes portability to the next level with its foldable frame and included carrying case. It's designed to accompany you wherever you want to create without any limitations. Now let's talk about the features that make these drones stand out. The Holy Stone Mini drone offers user-friendly features such as altitude hold, headless mode, and full protection with isolated propellers. It's perfect for kids, beginners, and newbies who want a carefree flying experience. On the other hand, the Holy Stone HS440 drone is packed with intelligent features like emergency stop, one-key high-speed rotation, and precise hovering. It's a must-have for beginners who want to explore the world of aerial photography. Finally, let's talk about the price. The Holy Stone Mini drone comes at a budget-friendly price of $49, making it a great option for those who want to dip their toes into the world of drones. On the other hand, the Holy Stone HS440 drone is priced at $129, offering advanced features and a higher camera quality. Based on online reviews, here's the overall assessment of the two drones. So, which drone should you choose? If you're looking for an affordable and fun drone for casual flying, the Holy Stone Mini drone is a great choice. However, if you're serious about aerial photography and want advanced features, the Holy Stone HS440 drone is the way to go. Remember, it ultimately depends on your needs and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter buying decision. That's all for today's video. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. See you next time on Buy Smart.